One of your kind of mantras, as it were, with Creative Mornings is that everyone is creative and everyone is welcome. And from what I understand, the two of you kind of embody and embrace those two principles in different ways. So tell us more about that.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, that's why I was so excited about today, because when I first heard the intro to your show, I was like, wow, values aligned.
Yes.
And that is something that's really important to us, is finding people with similar values or overlapping values and amplifying that. So for me, it's really that the dual of that everyone is welcome, everyone is creative.
Yeah.
And I kind of see my role in Creative Mornings Austin to be kind of the cheerleader, if you will. I really want people to step into the space and feel like they belong, feel like they are seen, and that this is a space where they can be themselves and really connect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And I'm talking about the alignment. I mean, everyone is creative. It's one of those things that seems obvious on the surface, but for Brian and I, coming from a background where we both worked in advertising, we were often in the creative department. So that wasn't a hard thing to like accept. Oh yeah, I am a creative professional. I'm a creative human being.
Right.
But for a lot of people, they've been talked out of that idea throughout their life, whether it was a teacher who said, you know, you're really good at this. You're not good at creative stuff like art, or you're not good at drawing. So you shouldn't really pursue this creative area. Yeah. Or people who think, oh, I'm not good at music, so I'm not creative. I'm really good at numbers.
Yeah.
But I think the truth is that it is innate. It's innate to us as humans that creativity is a part of who we are. We don't get to choose who is or who is not creative. We all have it. We just use it to different degrees, to different levels. Not all of us have to be professionals in order to be creative.